What's the deal, gang? What goes on? How we doing? Hope all is well. Glad to see you guys here. Nate, Options, Jay, SW, Nightbot, thank you for joining us. Steve-O. Good morning, good morning. Not even 100 in here. Should we even trade? Hell yeah, we should trade. Changing lot size right now. I have a feeling we're gonna see like a 2,000 pip candle. This daily is 1,100 pips. At some point, we're just gonna see a 2,000 pip candle. It's just gonna happen. Unemployment claims. Let's see. Yep, 8:30. The only red folder we got today, 8:30. It's about an hour from now. Hold on, let me let the Zoom gang in here. Nate's picture gets me all the time. Goofy ass Elon. It's like Elon if Salvador Dali had to draw him. Right? What up, Kenny? See a new background? It's blurry. Just like your vision gonna be by the end of this session. Behind Kenny is what Kenny sees when the session is over. Yeah, this shit's blurry as fuck. I mean, the daily closed bullish the previous day. We have this clear level here that's been established. Let's move right along where it makes more sense. Alright, so this whole fucking thing's a range. 67 to 28. Alright, we're gonna make this shit look like a football field right now, so don't mind me. But we gotta do it. Okay. How I see this is see this is range 1, range 2. We're gonna need closures above range 2 for a range 2 breakout. We're in range 2 right now. We've tapped the opposite end of range 2, right? If we're able to break down here and close back into range 1, I will look for sells to finish out the rest of the range down. If we're able to hold resistance here, I'm sorry, hold support here, and come back up, I would like to trade above range 2. So if we can start seeing this, we will look for positions on that closure over here. Most likely off a bottom wick of the next hourly candle. So once we start seeing this candle do this, we will look for entries roughly where price came up from before. These will be our entries on this bottom wick over here. And we will look to enter right there to then come up to the next range. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. Does that say there's nothing else that can happen? There's plenty of things that can happen, but this is what we're gonna focus on right now. If it sets up for anything else, I'll let you know. Oh, people at the Zoom door, my apologies. Okay, looking like we might get what we want. 15 closing here in less than a minute. Be careful here as it's coming down with these wicks across the board. This is where you might see a tap and just the same thing it did here. Drove right back the other way. So you want a closure below there. Why are you not moving your level 46.413 a little higher to those resistance levels? You mean to the left? This area right here? This area? Because I believe it's a fluke. I think this area is a fluke. Like, this happens sometimes in the market during high volume pushes. You'll break out of a range, but you'll establish a level a bit lower. So I'll keep this in mind, right? If we close right at this, right, we get a closure coming up here and it closes right at it, I'll keep in mind that level. Right, if we do this and this, and we're closing right at the same area, right? Or something like that. I'll keep that in mind, and I'll probably wait an extra 5 to like do this. But overall, the level is here. We just need a higher time frame closure above here. It's not it's a fluke. It's just on every time frame, this is the level that lines up everywhere. If this didn't exist, this would line up across the board everywhere perfectly. And then I look at the volume that was happening during that time. So I think it just pushed past the level, happened to close like that. This is where the level makes sense. So yeah, as we're coming up, yeah, if I feel like I need to make an adjustment, depending on how we're printing here, I'll make an adjustment. For now, that's the level. Didn't really get a close below here on the 15. Close below the most recent, not the overall. How much was this push down? 80 pips. That was an 80 pip push. Oh, hold on a second. Give me a check. I said, hold on a sec. Give me a chat. Hold on a second, chat. Oh, damn, I'm muted this whole time. I was just giving shout outs to everybody that's here. Saying what up to Sam, to Jay, Raj, Ken Hines. Yeah. Lone Trader. Why are you guys talking about me when I'm right here? What time did he show up? I'm right here. Right there. More people at the Zoom door. Come on in. You got 9 minutes here for 8 a.m. New York opens in 9 minutes. The hourly's respected the low here so far, but we got a lot of time left. 8 minutes left here. With some volume, we could do anything. Remember, we can also break the lows here and drive straight up off the opening. 8 a.m. is going to bring volume. This is a rejection area, right? We found a support here before from which we drove up. Drove up heavily last night, right? This was 10 a.m. I was looking for buys here. I got stopped out twice here. I had 2 different buys last night here in the single channel, and both times, as soon as we hit 10 pips, I went to break even, and it stopped me right out. I was hoping for a quick push up because it was a heavily bearish candle, but I clearly see some bullish volume coming in to take us for those top wicks, take us to resistance, and a couple of times I tried to ride it out and hit B. Do you really use this heavy FPC for trading? You play games on? No, I only turn it on for trading and streaming. That's it. My kids play games. Then you should end it at 9:30, not 9. Thanks. Let me know when I'm on the clock, all right? Let me know when I'm on payroll, not on the clock. That's what it is. When I'm on payroll, when I'm on your payroll, I'll do as you say, boss. Benny, they want to see you. Come here. Benny? Benny, hey. Are you alive? Hey, Benny. Come, they want to say hi. Come on, let's go. He's in his bed. Like, I feel bad dragging him out. He's just looking at me and he's like, I know we're not going outside. I don't think he's feeling well. Come on, star nuts. Word. Star nuts. Yeah, he's sleeping, like heavy sleeping. I think he had a tough night. He was pissed at something all night. He was chasing stuff around. I don't know what it was, but I heard him running up and down the stairs all night. He's sleeping like he really put in work. May all evil spirits get, yeah, word. May the evil spirits get confused on the way to your house today, gang. Good point, Sam. Very good point. What a great day here. What a great day. It's so nice outside. It's finally not freezing. It's like okay outside. Five minutes. See, we created a little shampoo pattern here. Bounced off a support here. Right? So you can definitely continue up. You're more likelier to continue down though. Oof. It's gonna be a 2-hour closure too. Four-hour flipped on spot. minutes here. Need a drink. Gang, give me a sec. Got all excited last night that I saw an alien, or that I saw a UFO. Turned out to be a drone. I was like, finally, they do exist. And then I realized it was just some asshole flying a drone. I felt like I had like a profound feeling for like 3 minutes, and then I was highly disappointed. Why can't some fucker have a drone that looks like a damn UFO? Yeah, it was like finally they decided to reveal themselves to me. I felt really special, yeah, and then it was just like, well, DJI? Damn, these fucking UFOs got English looking hieroglyphics. I can read alien. That's crazy. Nah, it's the weed. Yo, in Jersey, I remember when I just started smoking, like this going back like 20 years. And we were driving through Jersey, and some places in Jersey, there's just no lights. You could be driving. If you turn your lights off, it's pitch black on a car. And we were just driving, and like when I just started smoking, like it would look like the forest. It would look like the forest is trying to swallow us. Oh shit, we pulled all the way back up. Come in. We'd be driving pitch black, be tall trees. Like, holy shit. Yeah, I thought I could read alien. The shit said DJI. I was like, what? Wow, pulled all the way back up. We closing doji on the hourly. No decision. The whole candle is arranged, right? We know Wix arranges. This whole shit's arranged. But we knew that already. Will there be a giveaway today or tomorrow? They will start, probably next week we'll start them again. Try to come down. Two-hour did close bullish, while the 1 hour's doji. 30 did come back up to flip, but still held that little resistance, the most recent one. Will tomorrow be a private session again? No, tomorrow's a regular session. Do you trade tomorrow? Yes. Bank holiday for most pairs, not for gold futures. They said it's supposed to be a Good Friday, so they better not mislead us. Tomorrow, the markets are closed. So how are you going to trade tomorrow? The market, well, the banks are open. So I will say this. If my broker is open, we will trade. If they're closed, we will be closed.
Yeah. Good morning, Wix. How are you?
Good morning. How are you? How's the day?
Good. Thank you. Oh man, first time. She just was talking all night, man. I slept like 3 hours. So it was a little tough, but she's okay. She's very active. I yell at her. Shut up! It already started.
No, don't yell at her.
Stop talking.
Play some Mozart.
I mean, when
Mozart is proven to increase IQ in babies and newborns, and even when they're in the womb.
I'm not saying that's not possible. I'm saying I understand that. I'm just saying when I'm at 3 hours of sleep, bro, and I'm just up and down, just can't sleep. I'm just like, shut up.
I'd rather listen to some Mozart than to the baby. You know, just drown her out with the Mozart music.
Yeah, I think I might.
I'm not listening.
Like when she's
just walk up to the baby and how you like that,
bro? Like I look at her sometimes and I go, Bianca, like what are you doing? And she just looks at me. This morning she just did that, and my girlfriend goes, look at her, she's smiling. I'm like, what a bitch. She knows she's doing something bad. Oh man, I'm just tired, and I'm gonna play another football game tonight, so I'm just exhausted. Anyways,
sometimes
I just wanted to say.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, go ahead. No, please. Sometimes, yeah.
No, so sometimes my dogs be barking at the weird ass time, so I just bark right back and I'll be like, "Fuck you barking at?" Bah, bah, bah.
When she cries, sometimes I'll just start crying with her. She looks at me, opens her eyes wide, and then opens her mouth and goes, "Huh?" And I'm like, "Why are you crying? Like, there's nothing going on. You're gonna get the titty in a second. Chill."
My kids are in the other room. They're getting dressed for school. They just ran in here laughing. They heard me.
Oh yeah. Tomorrow, by the way, is Good Friday. I think the markets are closed. Futures.
The banks? Oh yeah. If the markets are closed, that's one thing. But banks are open. So as long as banks are open and I have the ability to trade, I'll trade. But if the broker says, "Nah, I'm taking away your superpowers today," then I'm gonna have to pass, right? I'm not gonna go fight any villains without my fucking superpowers.
But I think everything is closed tomorrow, though.
Yeah, Wix, I have top step, and they're closed. So I don't know if top one is, but I know top step is closed.
Let's go to Forex.
So I think Jay might be right on this one.
Oh, I'm not saying.
I mean, it's.
I'm just saying. See how it doesn't say USD bank holiday? It just says USD. We got FOMC member daily speaks. So these fuckers are on holiday, but U.S. banks are open. Now, if the futures platforms are closed, Good Friday, all brokers are closed. You know what? Yeah, I'm just going to listen to you guys. You guys know better than me.
I mean, I'll take a look and still see it, but
maybe
the stocks and the bond markets.
I don't know. Let's see. We'll see what we do.
Stocks, bond markets, futures, everything is closed tomorrow. Most of the banks are going to be closed tomorrow as well. I mean, it's the holiest day of the Christian religion when Jesus gets crucified. So, yeah, I don't think anything would be open. If it is, it's probably like half a day or something. I am.
You'll be going to church tomorrow? Are you going at midnight or
Yeah.
something like that?
No, I'm going tomorrow at either 3 p.m. or 7 p.m. It just depends. I was going to go tonight, but I'm playing football. So I'm going to be going tomorrow and going on Sunday.
All right.
And I'm not going out this weekend at all.
While you're lighting
I go to church every Sunday.
candles,
Yo.
I'm going to be lighting the Holy J.
Yeah, I go to church every Sunday, bro. So
Do you really?
every Sunday, I never miss. Yeah. Every Sunday, and I pray for everybody. I pray for you guys. I pray for my family. I pray for my daughter.
Oh,
pray
God,
for my
that's
friends.
prayer. Me
Yeah.
too. Sometimes when I'm in a drawdown and I go in the bathroom, I pray for everybody as well.
No, I pray a lot, man, and it feels good. You know, you're there with a lot of people. We had Palm Sunday last week, so we ended up leaving with the palm trees, with the palm branches and everything. So it's the Holy Week, man.
I got palm
nothing
Sunday
more.
right now. I got a lot of palm trees over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Palm Thursday.
So yeah, man, yeah, I pray every Sunday. I go every Sunday, and I don't pray to try to make money. I pray to give people the peace that they need, the health, to have them, see things the best way possible, and hopefully I'm able to take my own advice as well. Yep, I like praying. It feels good, man. I used to not before, and with the world that we have today, man, praying is just something normal that we do. So I said I'm gonna do it 100% properly. And there we go. My life turned out much better.
Dear Forex baby Jesus,
Yeah.
please make sure we take under 28 pineapples today.
Yeah.
The price of gold has boomed. My leverage is down. Please keep it civil. Shut my daughter the hell up when I'm trying to sleep. Thank you, dear Forex baby Jesus. Amen. Just throw one in there, just in case.
Baby Forex Jesus. Yes. Yeah, no, I am religious. It's very important. You have structure in life. Religion is so important. Whatever religion you follow, it's very important. It creates structure. It creates good, solid foundation for the family. Gives you something to mold yourself to.
Even like if you're not religious, but if you just keep up to the standards of a God-fearing person, you'll just be that much better of a person.
I agree. Whether you follow all the commandments or not, whether you follow the religion or not, it's important to understand that the society we live in is based on religion. It's based on Christianity, right? Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt respect honor father and mother.
I killed at least 3 mosquitoes and a cockroach today. So I gotta confess my sins.
Murderer. Nobody's perfect, but I mean, we live our life based on that. So might as well do the best that we can to help others. And that's why, we like the Discord, because, a lot of us help each other out when we're in drawdown. We feed off each other. We bounce ideas off each other. We put in the wins and the losses that we have. We explain what we're doing. This is all part of it, right? And that's because we're helping each other, but we don't gain money from that. I don't make money when you make money. I don't make money when Eddie makes money or anything like that, or lose when they lose, right? But we help each other out. So that's what I like a lot about it.
Yeah, we planned
and
this
that's
chat.
based on,
this all goes back to the Discord. You guys got to join the free Discord.
Yep, exactly. So, it helps. Yeah, Turping. That's why. And I think it's very important. Religion is number one, God first. And so once you have that, it helps you, guide you, creates limitations, barriers on the things that you shouldn't do, consequences of the things that, that are not good, and then create strong families and create a good nucleus. You're with your wife, you're with your girlfriend, you got your daughters. It's important that they understand what's out there, how life is a miracle, it's a beauty, take advantage and enjoy it, and honor father and mother. And that's why they love you, they respect you, they listen to you, because you do what you do for them, and so does your girlfriend. Bro, not many people have that today, right? They disrespect you, they treat you like crap, they do whatever the hell they want, the kids turn out bad, and that's not good. So religion is very important, in my opinion.
worship the futures gods here. What brokers you guys use to trade futures market? Any good prop firm? Yes. Use top 1 futures. And make sure it's not a challenge account. Make sure you're buying an instant funded. I don't want to see you over here, you know, passing challenges, freaking testing yourself. No. Get an instant funded. They're friggin' 50% off right now. Right? What did you do? You bought 3. Right, he bought 3 initially because you could copy trade 3, so you can get instantly funded for damn near $500,000. Instant funding.
Yeah, you go there, purchase it. 150,000 is the highest you can get on instant funded. Use code WIX, you get 50% off. You pay $399 per account. So for under $1,200, you got 450,000 in the live simulated funds, and then when you have, I have 3 accounts. So what you do is you can go to the support and they'll tell you what to do, or you can go in the Discord and I'll tell you what to do to have the copy trader activated. It's within their own software, so you don't have to pay for it. And then you choose one main account and the others that will follow. So it will copy the trades that you do on one account. And so if you're winning 2,000 on one, you're winning 2,000 on the other 2 as well. And then you grow that very quickly. The first 20,000 per account that you make is given to you 100% to you. There's no profit split there. So that's 60K you can make for 100% profit split. So that's really decent. So, and you can withdraw your funds after you've made your first 2% profit from each account.
You really
so that's
don't have
3K.
to really under risk on those. It's a lot of capital. You can under risk and small percentage will still get you gains, right?
Yeah, correct. I mean, a 0.2 lot or a 0.3 lot, you can't use a 0.2. You'd have to go into micro gold. So it would be MGC, and you would use a 2 contract. That would be the same as a 0.2 lot. Unless you want to trade higher, then you go into GC for the chart. But I trade in MGC, which is micro gold for futures. And that's how you get to a 0.2 instead of a full 2. Trade that way, take your time, grow your account $200-300 a day, less than a month, you get 2-3K. Nothing wrong with that. And then you can grow from there, withdraw your money, get your money back, and then pick it up from there. So take advantage. Cool.
Use code WIX. Code WIX.
50% off.
You can buy as
50.
many accounts as you want. You can only copy trade 3.
You cannot actually. You can only have 3 active accounts
3 at
the same time. Yeah.
W. Thank you. Holy shit. What's going on? What just happened? There's no bottom wick on this candle on this 1 hour. Damn. I think I want to close your chat. If we had a bottom wick on this candle, maybe we're looking at the breaks of highs here, but I want a closure. Let's see, maybe we get it on the 5-minute. Oh, we have news coming up here. Unemployment claims in 14 minutes. Yep, 8:30. What are the other rules? All you gotta know is there's no 5-minute rule. Finally, you're drinking tea. This isn't tea. This is soup. Chicken noodle soup and soda on the side. Hate Top Step, they become used to the prop firm, been trading with them, and now they're making excuses for request payout. Well, one thing I can tell you is as long as you follow the rules, top one will pay you out. No 5-minute rule, exactly. There's no 5-minute rule. Top one futures, no 5-minute rule. It's just in the back closure. The problem is if it closes like this, that's a news candle coming right up. Shit. Damn, how long have I been muted? I've been talking the whole time. When did I mute myself? Did you guys hear me talking about my tea? Did you hear me say that it's not tea, that it's soup? Okay, good. You guys heard me say that. So after that, I said, oh, we were talking how many contracts should you trade if you're taking my trades. You should, honestly, it just depends on your account size and your relationship with money, your comfort levels. Last time we had unemployment claim, last bunch of times, like the last 3 or 4 times we had unemployment claims, it's pushed a little and then drove the other way. Opposite of the claims. Was that push the comics open? The comics hasn't opened yet. That's at 8:20 in 5 seconds. Right now, this is comics open right here. This candle opening up is 5 minutes. $150K count, 0.3. 3 micros. You gotta trade a micro chart. This could get interesting here. Might have buy stops here at this area. With this support running across the board. We'll get there. So this is a possibility. We might have buy stop support run across the board and just a small stop here for about 20 pips. If this taps this area and just takes off, I want to be ready for it. I'm okay with losing. Oh, this is going to be 40 pips. Yeah, maybe a single position. Roughly a bit higher right there. So roughly 38 pips, 39 pips. Single position, but then if it takes off, it's going to be a lot. So created some range to the upside, right? So this is clean range. Whenever price does decide to come up through these areas, this is going to be clean. Right. Because you've cleared everything out, and now you've just driven up and down right through here. So all the orders that were within that area have been cleared out now. Next time you drive through there, it's going to be just the same way. It's just, you're going to have a smooth ride. Buy limit, yeah. Maybe. I'm not too sure yet. I want to see how we open up. Can we trade gold futures? Yeah, you trade exactly the same chart as I do. Same contract. Top1futures.com. Not top one trader, top one futures. Yum yum. If we don't get nothing before the session ends, I'm pretty confident we'll have more than one position today. So maybe the inner circle will see some of that. It's kind of cool how you can see, right, that when it was coming up, it was establishing these smaller time frame levels. Right now some time has passed. Now we got clear identifiable higher time frame levels as well. Pretty cool. Wow, this is hourly pulled all the way back. Flip bearish. Shoot, you might get a 4-hour flip bearish. 3 minutes here till news. Three minutes, sweet. Wait. Wow, this chicken noodle soup made me feel great. I wasn't feeling too great, but this made me feel awesome. Awesome! Yeah, chat, if something just feels off in your body, Just have some chicken noodle soup. Either that or you got a fart. You know what I mean? Or you got gas. Either you got gas or you just need some chicken noodle soup because you're getting sick. Wow. So the last 4 candles over here, side by side, no direction. How do we interpret side by side movement? Noise. We avoid it. You know, when we were pushing up here a few minutes ago, I thought, or in the last 30 minutes, I thought that it was priced in, that unemployment was priced in here. We're just gonna keep pushing up to all-time highs. But no. See how quickly the charts switch? Gotta wait for closures. We have 1 minute left. Give me 1 second, chat. Let's see what happens here. Oh, people at the Zoom door. Sorry. Come on in. Maybe this for entry. Might not never get there. Just get here. So this is news. Building permits, housing starts, Philly Fed, unemployment. Get a whole mixed bag. Coming down for now, huh? It might be off this support, but I don't want to take it off of here. It might just bounce off here and drive straight up. I gotta see the numbers. There we go. Good numbers. So we should come down. Orange folders, bad numbers. Mixed bag, once again. Right, fundamentally this should come down. But as we said, we've seen it push down the direction of news and then just flip and drive the other way. Specifically unemployment claims. Let's see what happens. There's a whole mixed bag of news, everything. Yellow folders, orange folder, red folder, everything's a mixed bag. Bad, good, bad, good. Still side by side here. First 5-minute candle here. As you can see, we're still printing side by side. Yeah, you don't want to sit here and guess up or down. You want it to do the up or down thing, make a decision, and you want to hop on to finish out the next range. Just be patient. Gotta move slow as a snail nowadays. Move at the speed of the market. Biden era news, we would have already drove 100 pips for news. Down? Yeah, well, Trump era, we just drive 100 pips on a 5-minute candle without news. For no reason. Trump! So we wanted volume. Volume's been here. Reflipping bearish. Alright, what are we doing? 5 closed bullish here, huh? It's kind of interesting. Let's see if this could start flipping. This 5 never flipped, never came up, so more waiting. You know, just watch the news get absorbed by the markets, and we wait for some more preferable price action. And another doji. This is good. This is building character. This is building your patience. It's good. It's good to learn to sit through times like these. You gotta sit through times like this to trade like this. You gotta get used to it. This is gonna be the majority of what you're gonna do in your trading career. Yeah, indecisive. Yo, Eminem's that you? Eminem, why Eminem? Trade like that. That wasn't Eminem. That was what's his name? Meek Mill, I think. Right? He used to pray for times like this, to rhyme like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this. Time I spent on some locked up shit. That's what you're talking about? That's Meek Mill. You gotta go through times like this to trade like this. Don likes that song. I think every social media influencer likes that song. Those things that... Well, back to my cannabis vape. This candle's flipped up and down like 8 times. Inhale the chill, exhale the FOMO. What great advice. Amazing. Really good advice. I got something to do while I'm waiting for a setup like you got yours smoking. Our session's almost over here. We've been waiting for this to set up. I feel like this is going to be in the 9 o'clock hour with the inner circle and the signal channel. There's a lot of volume pre-NY. Unless we see a heavy push here to close out the hourly for the next 15 minutes. It's going to be in the, this is most likely going to be in the signal channel and the inner circle. My hair too long. Put this shit up. And back to a Doji's 30. It's been a really funky hour. Alright, this we had news on this hourly on this 30-minute candle, but it looks like the damn news played out over here. What was that? Yeah, but when is Powell getting replaced? They don't like each other. Powell's a big Trump hater. Yeah, Powell gotta go. He's gonna go at some point, right? Yeah, but when? Is he gonna be gone during this administration? When is his, like... When is his term? How do they... Look it up. He's expected to remain in his position during the second presidency of Donald Trump at least through 2026. He was sworn in for a term ending January 31st, 2028. This sucks. How do you find a position in the trending market? Sometimes I have difficulties in finding that, and also to determine the trend of the market. Please, can you help? Easy. The market has to be trending first. We're stuck in a range. That's why you can't find the trending market. Look at this shit. This is ugly. Ugly! We were bearish. We were coming down, then we had range 1, range 2. We never really closed above here for a range 2 breakout, which would make us bullish, right? If we had this. We had this on the 15, but then we drove right back in range. So we need a higher time frame closure above here to look for buys. Above 33.46. That 4. Or, since we've already tapped this area, we need to come down and close below 33.35. And if the candle starts looking something like this, we will say we have range to fill. We can look for top wick entries from areas we've come down from before. And we will look to fill out the rest of this range. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
So that's where we stand right now, but unfortunately we haven't moved out this shit show, out of this horse shit range, right? Not moved. We've gone absolutely nowhere in the last 2 hours. Such is life. Such is our destiny. Do you hold any stocks or indexes? No, but I'll be doing what Jay was suggesting to do. Kind of interesting. Spill the tea? What do you mean? He had a whole stream on this. What are they called? What are those top 10 called? Legacy or something like that? Something like I forgot what they're called. Jay knows. Yeah, it was something like that. Dividend Kings, something like that. $4.20 left in this 1 hour candle. If there's going to be potential in the first few minutes of the next hourly candle, we'll hang on here and we'll trade. If not, we'll call it a session. We'll take it to the inner circle, and everybody at the inner circle, you guys know the deal. I'll drop the link in a few minutes after we call it a stream, and we'll trade in there. Feels like a grilling day today. I've been tired, but I'm down to grill today. Not even like cook, but like open flame type of grilling. I'm gonna make some shish kebabs, maybe some chicken kebabs. About to go buy like 10 pounds of chicken and just make a whole bunch of chicken kebabs. Maybe meal prep for the next month. Make sure it's organic, free-range, vegan chicken with no preservatives or hormones. Do the ones running around in my neighbor's yard count? Because I could use a few less chickens in the neighborhood. Every time I drive by it, I'd be like, yo, Benny, look at that bitch. That's dinner. Barbecue corn. So, no, I had corn yesterday. It was pretty corny. It was good. LED river? What kind of river is that? Leftover rice and beans. The free range Miami chickens. About to go on a chicken killing spree. I don't know what you heard about me. Held this area and held this area. So indecisive. Amazing. Incredible. Looks great. You really outdid yourself this time, Gold. Looking beautiful. What's the 4-hour on spot look like? Ass and feet as well. Looks terrible. Yeah, spot looking ugly. Maybe it'll start pushing up. Another Doja Cat candle. Wasn't ugly till the folders jump in. Feel the enthusiasm all the way in Chicago. Yeah, we're gonna call it a session here. Let's take it to the inner circle. Let's take it to the signal channel. Let's take it down south. Let's take it Midwest. I know where you stay and where your kids rest. Who's saying that? Jada. That's a good freestyle. That's a Knuck a Few Buck freestyle. I forgot about that. All right, yeah, let's call it a session, gang. No trades here on the live stream. We will have some positions, I believe, in the inner circle and in the signal channel. We will see you guys on. Wait, tomorrow is no stream, and it's Thursday. All right, you know what? There's going to be a private session on Sunday for everyone in the signal channel and in the inner circle. So I will see you guys on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern. Everybody else, I'll see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m. Unless you're in the inner circle, then we'll start our session in about 5 minutes. Okay, give me a few minutes to send out the link, set everything up. Gang, thank you for rocking me. Gang, thank you for rocking with me throughout this week. It's been a good week nonetheless. There's been a few dubs, small dubs, but we've had a few dubs this week. It's been a slower week. A lot of volume, slower week. Kind of counterintuitive that way. All right, yeah. Gang, nothing we can do about this. Look how it's printed here. It looks just terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row, side by side, and we're continuing to do that. All right, stay safe. Don't overtrade. Don't overleverage. I will see you guys on Monday, 8 a.m. sharp. Zoom gang, see you in the clubhouse side of things. Signal channel, stay locked in. We're still trading throughout the whole morning. In a circle, give me 5 minutes. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. Yep. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. See you next week, gang.
you.